Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Horizon NJ Health account on your web portal. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Horizon NJ Health account. You can do this by typing Horizon NJ Health login. After that, click on login. Now you will be directed to login page of Horizon NJ Health. Enter your username and your password, then click on login. Make sure you already have an account registered under Horizon NJ Health to successfully log in. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to Horizon NJ Health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tips and tutorials.